Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's JD. We're just gonna make another beat here. Got some more KNS loops. Shout out KNS, overseas producer. He's killing it, man. We're gonna listen to some of these loops and then we'll see what's going on. I'm gonna try to mess around with that one. Now, you know the deal. We're gonna go flex pitch with the sample 139. I don't know why this does this, but every time you bounce out the 200%, it never always starts like a half bar late. So you have to like bounce it out and then just copy and paste like the 4 bars. Same thing with the reverse one. It starts the whole bar late. But hey, it's all good. Just copy and paste it, I guess. Wait. Wait. Really, bro? Like, why did I pull that up? We have these. Dude, why did I pull that up? Sounds good, so. Oh well. Buys thousands of dollars worth of plugins for me to use this. It sounds good. I don't know. I gotta take a phone call. Well, thanks. Have a great day, Megan. Sorry about that. right, another beat in the books. That one turned out pretty cool. Just did some cool like little reversing on those tracks and just added some drums to the sample. I think we pitched it down in the beginning, like one semitone as well. But shout out to KNS for the loop. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments also what you guys want to see more of. And yeah, that's about it. Peace.